Silent letters are everywhere, but have you ever stopped to ask why? Today, we explore the surprising story behind the letters we never print. Letters are letters we write but don't say aloud. In words like salmon, to, or knee, they're there, but silent. They might look unnecessary, but they have a purpose. Most silent letters come from history. In Old English, people actually pronounced them k nicked for night, g na for na. Over time, speech evolved, but spellings stayed the same. So why do we still write them? 1. They keep spelling consistent. 2. They show where words came from, like debt from Latin debitum. And 3. They help avoid confusion, like our and our. Silent letters aren't just leftovers, they're clues. The G in sign helps us see its link to signal. The silent C in muscle shows up in muscular. They guide us through word families. Silent letters may not be heard, but they tell a story of language, learning, and history. They're the quiet heroes of English spelling. If this made silent letters a little louder in your mind, give it a like, and share it with someone learning English. I'm Hafsa Imtiaz. See you next time.